You Don't Have to Say You Love Me with Asia's Nightingale, Lani Misalucha. Please welcome on stage the girl on fire, Darlene.
You said you would always stay. It wasn't me who changed, but you. And now you're gone away.
Don't you see that now you're gone? And I'm left here on my own. That I have to follow you, and then you come home.
You don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand.
You don't have to stay forever. I will understand.
Believe me,
I can't
help but love you, but believe me,
I'll never let you down. Left alone with just a man. Life is dead and so unreal.
what was left is just loneliness. No, there's nothing left to feel. What you say, darling?
You don't have to say you love me, just to be close at hand. You don't have to stay forever. I will understand.
Oh, believe me.
You don't have to say you love me, just to be close at hand.
You don't have to stay forever. I will understand. Oh, believe me,
Thank you, Miss Lani Misalucha. Thank you, Darlene. Ang galing-galing mo. Thank you, Miss Lani.
Thank you, Miss Alice.
Thank you, Darlene. Grabe, we have to say this. We love you.
you.
Nakasabay ka kay Miss Lani. Ano naman kaya ang masasabi ng iyong coach, si Coach Lea?
Unang-una, Lani, maraming salamat. At pinagbigyan nyo kami dito sa The Voice Kids. Maraming salamat. At congratulations sa gwapo mong apo. Darlene, eto. I think that was definitely the best performance you've given on that stage. At ipinakita mo na talagang you will not give up without a fight. Na talagang lumalaban ka, na yung puso mo ay hindi. Magpapakitang gilas ako dito sa stage na ito. Ipinakita mo ngayon na deserving ka na maging grand champion ng The Voice Kids.
Thank you po.
So kung ginusto nyo, mga nanonood ngayon, kung ginusto nyo ang ginawa ni Darlene, iboto nyo siya bilang grand champion.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat sa kanyang mga magulang, sa kanyang buong pamilya, sa inyong tiwala. Ang galing-galing mo, baby girl. Maraming salamat sa tiwala mo din sa akin bilang coach mo. I love you. Ang galing-galing mo talagang bata ka.
Thank you, Miss Lea. Thank you, Darlene.